Hello, my name is Morgan, and today we will be going over how to add a bulk membership list to the backend. So you'll go to this admin dropdown, select union members. Then once it loads to the correct page, we'll click Add Bulk Members. I recommend downloading the sample file so you can see which fields need to be inputted. We'll go ahead and click Download. And we'll open the file up here as well. So we'll need their first name, last name, date of birth, then either their employee ID or the last four of their social, and then we'll need 3 industries. Those can be employers, work sites, classification numbers, really anything you want we can put in there, and those can also be left blank. But you will need to make sure that the column has the heading of industry 1, 2, and 3, or employer, worksite, classification. They just need to have a title, pretty much. So now that we've seen what we need inputted in the fields, we can make sure that the Excel sheet has everything that we need. You'll make sure to save the Excel file as a CSV, comma separated values. And then we'll go ahead and choose a file, and select Open and Submit. And that is how we can add bulk members to our membership list.